My name is Felipe and my final project I'm going to talk about solar energy and the most recent developed technologies in that field. So let's begin. Well, what is solar energy and how it works? Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed to a larger extent using a range of ever-evolving technologies such as solar heating, photovoltaic, solar thermal energy. Well, I will focus in photovoltaics because this is the mainstream electricity source over the last 2 decades. It consists of a solar cell, which is a device that converts light directly into electricity using a photovoltaic electric. The object of my final project is to carry out an investigation of the cutting-edge technology used nowadays, such a PERC technology, used as the current model of solar energy because of its moderate effectiveness and its competitive market price. On the other hand, I'm gonna delve into one particular project, which is an ongoing project that may revolutionize the way solar cells is conceived to obtain power from solar energy. It's the spherical sun power generation known as raw lemon. Well, about solar cells, there is some new technology that is called PERC. It is an enhanced version of the former solar cells used in photovoltaics. However, this technology is especially interesting because it enables manufacturers to achieve higher efficiencies than you could obtain with standard solar cells. The main advantages of this device regarding to conventional system are the higher efficiency achieved, approximately 1% lower cost due to the fact it gains in efficiency. Nevertheless, we also should consider other aspects such as atmospheric condition and also the wind effect over the structure. Moreover, the light obtained by the cell due to the clouds in the atmosphere, and also the visual impact it could create due to the opacity solar cells that as we see in the picture I have attached. Well, now I'm going to talk about raw lemon technology. This new kind of technology is based on spherical geometry principles and a dual-axis tracking system which allows it to double its yield with regard to conventional solar cells, but in a smaller surface area. And this performance is achieved through a fully rotational movement, that you can see in the picture. Well, this system works in a way that sunbeam, as you can see the direction, are gathered together in a beam of light created by the ball lens and is focused with a high photos intensity in a tiny photovoltaic panel, which is converted finally in electricity. This beam of light is obtained regardless of the sunbeam's direction because the collector has a system tracking that you could see at the bottom of the ball lens. And this collector has a system that tracking and allowed to follow as you can see the picture. Alright. And finally, about the conclusion, I have read the next statement. Raw lemon is the most efficient system, although it's just a prototype compared to the current solar energy panel. So let's talk about the advantages, or let's remember. It has less space required, along with a more eco-friendly system because of its low pollutant rate to manufacture it. Its minimal visual impact, owing to the fact that these offer almost a 100% transparency. It's 35% more efficient than current solar panels. We must not forget that the severe weather conditions merely affect our device, since even at night this technology could obtain energy through the moonlight. Even in cloudy days, our gadget is able to make the most of the solar rays with get through these clouds. And finally, even wind is not a problem because of the rigid structure. And finally, well, disadvantages. Well, despite the efficiency guaranteed, it is too expensive to acquire it compared to the solar cell mentioned before, so it requires a huge investment at the beginning. And finally, well, this is the end of my presentation, and I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.